Hello and welcome. I have an unboxing today for you. So this is Dangerous Roads by DAC, and it has taken, hopefully it's the one I'm thinking of. We will soon find out when we get here. Excuse the small one making noises in the background. And let's get into here. So as I say, this should be, according to calculations on the tracking, Dangerous Road by... Oh no, it's not. It's All Dogs Go to Heaven. Okay. So even better, because this is the one I want to work on after I'm working on Here Comes the Bride. So this is the one I want to do next. And so all nicely sealed, all shiny. So if I can bring this and show you. This one's another round. So seems to, well, even though I prefer squares, I do have quite a few rounds on order, but the DAC rounds are actually really nice to work. So bear with me a moment. Exciting! Because this one has left only. It was shipped on the 2nd of May and has arrived today. My Dangerous Roads was shipped. Oh, I'll have to check that back in April. Hopefully that should be here soon. Right, so open up the ends. Oh, it's all in a bag. Let's put that aside. Right, so make sure you can see. The camera's stood on a tripod next to me, so hopefully you should be able to see as I unpack. Oh, yay! I got some of the parchments. Exciting. Although the pour glue is definitely nicer to work with than the double-sided adhesive, it is a lot of fun to unveil it a little bit at a time. So if you've not used Diamond Art Club before, you'll get a little how-to instruction book. So I have a few of those now. And pack of diamonds, all labelled up. We'll unpack those in a minute. I apologise if you dislike the rustling. So this is the parchment paper. Oh, and it looks like it fits the entire picture. Awesome. Let's roll that up. And here is the picture. So you can see. If I bring that here. As you can see, Diamond Art Club, their symbols are beautifully clear, and I've noticed that they seem to use the same symbol for at least 310, which is the infamous black. So if you do any of the, especially the Mandie Manzano pictures, she uses a lot of black outline. I always think that they, for me, they look like stained glass window pictures, which is lovely. So this one doesn't look too like it's got too much of the 310 for once. So I do tend to pick a lot of darker end pictures. But this, we've got the cute little dog going up to heaven, an angel in a lovely dress, with wings. And if I remember, this one has 1 or 2 ABs. Let's have a look. starter pack. All concertinaed in there. Alright, let's have a look. So we'll start off with the black. Get that one out of the way, and we've got, oh quite, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of black. Okay, so there's going to be more black than you realise. So got some 823, 3371. So I don't know if you can see, but these are beautifully shaped. Don't really see any trash. To be fair, I have very little trash from my other Diamond Art Club pictures. Oh, we do have a hitchhiker though. There's a lonely little blue one hiding in the white there. Some nice blues. Oh, sort of mossy green there. Here's what everybody wants. So this AB is 141 and looks like an off-whitish. See if you can see the sparkle on the camera reflecting there. It's got some blues, some creams. Oh, this is going to look so beautiful. Oh, another hitchhiker. So just the one AB in this one. That is going to look so pretty. So this one will be my next picture after I finish Here Comes the Brides. Fun part, getting it all back in the packaging afterwards. These should work. So I will do how I tend to go about kitting up video as well. At some point. So now this one's arrived, I will be using this kit in that little how-to video, and hopefully you'll all join me for that one. That side, but here it is. This is Diamond Art Club's Mandie Manzano, All Dogs Go to Heaven, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I am very much looking forward to working on this. Let's see where the ABs go. So we've got them top of the clouds outlining there, and then what else we got? Some more. There go the ABs. So the AB is the number 1 symbol there. So we've got a big swirl. Oh, and then we've got some dangling stars over here. Hope you can all see okay.